In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print A4 size in Canva. We'll set up the correct canvas, design with safe margins, export at high quality, and print at true size so your work looks exactly the way you intended. Start by opening Canva. Click the Create a Design button and type A4 into the search box. Choose the standard A4 document, which is 210 by 290, 7 millimeters. This is the international paper standard used in many countries. If you are used to US letter, note that A4 is slightly narrower and a bit taller. So picking the exact A4 option is important. Select the orientation you need, portrait or landscape, and make sure the size shown in Canva reflects 210 x 290. 7 millimeters so you know you are working on the correct canvas from the beginning. As you design, keep important content away from the edges. To avoid cropping during printing, give your text, logos, and key elements a comfortable margin so nothing gets cut off. A simple rule of thumb is to leave a bit of breathing room all around the page so the design feels balanced and safe from the trim. If your background or images need to run to the very edge, extend them slightly beyond the page edge and, if available in your Canva plan, turn on Print Bleed so the final cut looks clean and professional. The main idea is to protect anything essential from the outer edge. When you are ready to download, click the Share button in the top right corner, then choose Download. For printing, select PDF Print. This format preserves high resolution and keeps text and vector shapes sharp. If your design uses a full bleed background, you can include crop marks and bleed in the download options so your printer knows exactly where to trim. Confirm the pages you want, then click Download and save the file to your computer. Now open the downloaded PDF. In your printer's settings, set the paper size to A4 210 x 290. Make sure scaling is set to 100% or actual size. Turn off any options like Fit to Page or Scale to Fit, so the document doesn't shrink or stretch. Match the orientation to your design and select a high-quality print setting for the best results. If your printer supports borderless A4 and your design is full bleed, enable that, otherwise, expect a small unprinted margin. Print a single test page to confirm everything lines up, and if anything looks off, double-check the paper size and scaling before running the final prints. Thanks for watching.